So today I'm going to show you guys how I use my black soap shampoo. Right now my hair is filled with build-up from another gel that I used, which made my hair really hard for the week. So when you're using the shampoo, you need to ensure that all the build-up is, well, most of the build-up is removed from your hair. So you get the hair fully saturated with water. So what I normally do, I rub my hands into my hair to help remove most of the buildup. When I think it's fully saturated, I take my black soap shampoo. I put a few drops in my hand. Okay, it's a liquid shampoo, so it's very runny. I used like 2 drops a while ago. So I go as my hair needs it. Sometimes I use like 5 one time, 5 drops one time, 4 drops one time. This is my 4th one. Ooh. A little bit goes a long way. And because I like to see lather, or I really what I do is I add a little bit more. And I massage in all over. Rub it in, rub it in. So you see, a little bit goes a long way. And look at the bottom. Barely used. I'm going to rinse this off and do it again. When you do it the second time, you will get more lather, because you have already removed some of the buildup on your hair. Because I want the shampoo to remain as natural or as pure as possible, it does not have a specific fragrance or scent. So again, I do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I start to massage it in again. I think those drops I just give out a little smaller. So you could just, yeah. Okay, so I'm rinsing this off after the second shampoo. Of course, I believe to keep my hair soft and moisturized. So I'm using Argan oil of Morocco conditioner, just to soften it up a little bit before I style it. I love conditioner, so I use a lot. And if you guys look at Hair Talk, you know that I always say when you want your hair to grow or you're treating your hair, you massage. Sorry guys. You massage your conditioner or your oils into your hair. Even in the short areas, you always massage. So I'm going to leave this in for about 2 minutes, because I am getting ready for work, and then I'll get back to you guys. So right now I'm going to use some of my Moringa Infused with shea butter and my anti-itch oil, and then I'm going to try this Flax Seed Gel. So I will get back to you guys with the results. Whip shea butter first, oil first in the scalp, whip shea butter, and then the gel.